Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's happened. Sold the Mustang and bought the Tesla. So it's actually pretty soon. Put the order in with the Tesla a little while ago, and it's due this weekend. So look out for the videos coming with driving it and doing all those fun things that I mentioned in my previous videos. And already I've started doing a little bit shopping for it, a little bit of shopping. Got a few accessories here. First one was the aero wheel kit. Which, you know, it's a really good kit, this one. So you get the little Tesla logos for the center wheel cap. So this is when you take your hubcaps off and you just want to have the wheels looking a bit nicer under there. These little wheel nut covers as well, and the little puller there, so you can pull those out really easily. So that's going to be really cool. My plan is to probably take the hubcaps off maybe straight away. I actually don't mind them personally, but you know, initially, you know, we'll probably take them off as well. Other than that, I've just today got hold of these little ones. These are just off Amazon. They're called Ferrasla anti-slip foot pedal pads for Tesla Model 3, Model Y, performance aluminium accelerator and brake pedal covers. So, nice little box. Got the two of them there. They're, you know, they're not the most expensive feeling things in the world, but pretty good. So they should, I'm hoping it's pretty easy, should just go straight over, clip over there, over the top of the brake pedal, and then the accelerator pedal there as well. So, you know, they'll just slip over there. I've seen a few videos of these, and I think maybe we might have to put them into some hot water just to loosen up that rubber a little bit, and then once they're on, I might even I don't know if you can see that there, but cut that little tab off possibly once they're actually on. Probably cut off pretty easily just with a razor blade. But yeah, so a few little bits and pieces. Still got a few more coming. Ordered a sunshade for it as well. Got to get it tinted. So once all that sort of happens, I'll let you guys know. But the Mustang has gone. The '69 Mustang Coupe has gone from the V8, you know, the old school auto, the big heavy power steering, to quiet. Well, that one was loud. Quiet, electric, easy steering. A lot of technology in there, of course, with the Teslas, or the autopilot and whatnot as well. So big changes coming ahead for me, and that'll be my daily driving. So look out for the videos, and I'm really excited. So this is just a little easy talking head type video, just to keep you guys informed. And yeah, we'll be doing lots of videos. If you haven't already, check out my Instagram, which is the Australian Tesla guy. Putting up videos of there once I get these. A couple of accessories, do photos up there as well. And of course, if you're interested, you can check that out. And remember to like this video or dislike it if you didn't. And remember to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all these videos that I'll be putting out with the new car. I'm trying it out and checking out all the updates as they come along, and it's going to be really exciting. So come along for the ride. I'll catch you guys next time.